In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make business card template in Canva. Open your web browser and head to Canva. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can save your work and access all the editing tools. Once you land on the homepage, use the search bar and type business cards to pull up the right canvas size and ready-made layouts. Switch to the templates view so you're browsing designs created specifically for business cards. Scroll through the options and look for a style that's close to your vision, whether that's clean and minimal, bold and colorful, or something more creative. If you want to keep things free, choose a template without the little crown icon, which marks pro content. When you found a good fit, click Customize this template to open it in the editor. Let's start by personalizing the text. Click the name field and type your name, then update your job title or position. Keep the layout tidy and legible. Use short lines, avoid cramming too much copy, and make sure your name stands out with a slightly larger size or weight. If something looks off, try nudging elements using your arrow keys for precise alignment. Next, replace the logo. On the left sidebar, click Uploads, then Upload Files, and choose your logo from your device. Wait for the upload to finish, it'll appear in your Uploads panel, then drag it onto the existing logo placeholder to replace it. If needed, resize from the corners and use Canva's snap guides to keep it centered and balanced. Update your company or business name, and then edit the contact details. Replace the email, contact number, location, and website fields with your own information. Keep everything consistent. Use the same font size and style for contact lines and double-check spelling. Short, clear labels help the card read at a glance. Remember, many business card templates include a back side. Click the second page in the editor to switch to the back. You can swap the logo again if the design includes it and adjust the company name to match the front. This is a good place for a tagline or a single strong graphic element. To match your brand colors, click the background, then select the color swatch at the top and choose a color. Scroll through the palette or enter your brand color if you know it. Ensure there's enough contrast so text remains readable. To refine the look further, click any text, open the fonts menu, and scroll to pick a font that complements your brand. Limiting yourself to one or two fonts keeps the design professional and cohesive. And that's it. Your customized business card template in Canva is ready.